Longly in need, I decided to build a bookshelf at the store. What did I get? 10 2x3s and a single sheet of pine. It was $42 for the pine. Yeah, this is in Kingston, Rona. Luckily the van is beautiful and fits it all easily. It's 3-ply, so it's like a floor covering underlay type thing, but I was looking for mahogany. The Napanee Cab was selling Dickies white coveralls for 70% off, so these were $15 the same night. Yeah, so 2x3. It's a little heavy, but still very beautiful. Had to cut a couple inches off. I got them dirty in the same night. But yeah, starting off on the bottom, I'm not going to screw it to the wall yet, so I didn't want it to fall over. Getting all set up out in the snow, and yeah, it's beautiful when you get the covers on the top. Really cleans it up. 2 shelves was kind of my goal. I was going to build it longer, but this is 5 feet wide, I mean. And the tops are a little off, but I screwed them together. Got this 3rd shelf going, quite lovely, and then tied it together at the top. And yeah, I have a lot of books. I should stop doing everything else and only read. But here they are. Engineering, mathematics at the bottom, biographies, cooking, and some carpentry stuff I found in the middle. And then some of my younger stuff, James Rollins, Eric Wilson, and then some other rando books. Certainly law books will be piling up there as well, but I have the stuff in my van. My Black's Law Dictionary and my Bibles are not on this shelf yet. But so here, finally, bookshelf. Lovely. Blessings to you all.